What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Just wanted to preface this before you guys got into today's video. This is not the reveal video for the RX-7. Pete and I were going up to the shop to put it back together in order to get the reveal video shot with our buddy Graham. Go check out his YouTube channel. It's just Graham Kane. I'll put the link in the description below. But right now, he's working on that video. Hopefully it'll be out soon. I am working on the FC right now, so it's sitting in the garage. Not going to show you guys the color yet, but you can see what I'm doing. We had some ground cable problems, and that the ground cable was too small with what came with the battery relocation kit. So I bumped it up to a 2 gauge or a 0 gauge ground cable to match our power, so we won't have any problems, because the FC was not liking starting. So, and charge the battery. It was just throttling the whole system, that ground cable. What's up, guys? Today I'm wearing my rotary shirt, which means one thing: we are going to go get the rotary. So we got Pete. We're back in the S2000. We picked that up yesterday. She had a few other little things to do. So I talked to Amari this morning. The car is like mostly done. We're gonna take it back because Graham's coming up today to shoot the video, kind of the reveal video for you guys, and then I'm gonna bring the car back on Saturday to get it wet, to finish up the wet sanding, put the wing back on, and pick up Alfie's wing while we're at it, and maybe bring Alfie's car to get wet sanded too. Not sure, but it's an idea. So yeah, we'll do that, but we're gonna go get the FC. The new clutch in the S2K is fire. It feels better than, like, the car feels better than it ever has. It beats that Exetti clutch. It doesn't rattle anymore. It's just nicer to drive. There's pedal feel. So a little pricey for all those parts, but definitely worth it. So US2K guys, if y'all need new clutch, remember OEM disc, OEM bearings. Do your rear main seal while you're at it, and also the heavy duty pressure plate from ACT. So we're about, I don't know, an hour away from the shop, so we'll tell you guys when we get there. Alright, so we made it to the shop. Here's the car. Here it is. You guys like the color? We're gonna make that black and white. But so we made it to the shop. We now have to just throw the car back together. We're doing the aero catch latches are going on, the louver, the flares, and then I think that's like mainly it for today, and the splitter. And then we'll come back on Saturday and get everything wet sanded and buffed out, and then we'll throw the wing on. So we're gonna be wingless for the time being, which is sad, but that's okay. Here's a time lapse for us to work. We are getting closer. The flares are on. The aero catches are done. Pete's working on the louver. And then I need to put the front turn signals in and then do the mirrors. And then we got to get this thing up on the lift on the other side of the shop to throw the splitter back on, and then I'm gonna blow out the oil cooler, just try to get some shit out of the fence, see if there's anything in there, just kind of inspect it, and then yeah, we're getting closer to being done. So back to time lapse. All right, the hood's done. Fenders are done, headlights are up, Pete's cleaning the windshield. I am gonna try to restore our turn signals here. I'm just gonna wet sand them down with 800 and 2000, see if we can make them look a little bit better. So that is the next project.
you're already vlogging. Look at that.
Yeah, it was already running. So I need to get this a little bit
Before
more.
and after.
That's blue. But yeah, this is just with 800. Look at that.
How about some focus? There we go.
I need to like get this a little bit more.
I like see myself. That's.
But
I mean, it's a little wet, but that's way better than it was before.
oh yeah.
That was like 5 minutes of work, and I'd say that was well worth it.
Oh yeah. Here they are.
Focus. Or down. There we go.
Turned out pretty good. Nice and clean again, clear.
Yeah.
So. All right, everybody. I apologize for the slight lapse in footage and filming. We got to a little bit of a bind putting the splitter back together, and just basically just ran out of time. So we got it on. We just quit filming to save us some time. But I've got this race car AC on, and holy shit, it is amazing. All of you guys that run no AC in your race cars and drive on the street, go get a cool shirt. This thing is 100% amazing. I am ice cold right now, and I love it. So yeah, this whole setup is great. We are on the way home, and we'll go meet Graham to film later. So probably when we see him, I'll cut this video, and then I'll kind of film a behind the scenes video while he's filming his video, and then we're just gonna have a lot of videos coming soon. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you for the support as always. So we've got the ground cable fixed, the FC started up first try, which was great. It's just on the battery charger right now, getting a little charge up, make sure everything's okay. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the reveal video, which should be out in a few days. Graham's working hard on it, and we'll get it to you out. We'll get it to you guys out soon. I'm very excited for you guys to see this color. I hope y'all are too. Thank you guys for being a supporter of the channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, and remember to like this video if you're excited to see the new color of the car. Bye, y'all.